Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food door handle in a hot point refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a small flat glass screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, and a Phillip screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new fresh food door handle. The fresh food door handle is mounted on the fresh food door. It makes your life so much easier if you need to open the door. The main reason to replace the fresh food door handle is if it's broken and won't stay in place or is missing. So this door handle is mounted on with 3 screws, 2 on the top and 1 screw is behind this little cover. We're going to start with taking out the cover. I'm going to use this small flat glass screwdriver to pry this cover off. I'm going to insert it and pop it open. As you can see, there's a screw right there. So I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver to take that screw out. Next, I'm going to open the door. And as you can see, we have 2 Phillip screws here. And I'm going to use the Phillip screwdriver to take them out so we can remove the handle. And now we can remove the handle. This is the old fresh food door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now I'm going to install the new door handle. I'm going to place it here like that. Match the holes on the top. Bring the bottom. And I'm going to put a couple of Phillip screws here on the top. I'm going to tighten them up, but not to the end. I'm going to leave some movement. From there, we're going to go to the bottom. So here, the bottom, I'm going to start with aligning the holes. And now I'm going to install this Torx 20 screw in using the Torx 20 screwdriver. Next, I'm going to install this little cover. I'm going to cover that hole. Just push it in. And now we can tighten the upper screws here. Using the same Phillips screwdriver, now we can tighten them. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.